Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I just wanted to share a little bit of an update with you guys. I put up a picture at the beginning of this video where you can see that I did had a little mini haul. Went to Burlington. Many of you know that I have another channel, Shop With Me by CCW. And while I was out over the last couple shopping trips, I looked for some bargains for my own home. So the photo I showed you at the beginning of this was some items that I purchased at my little mini haul. Found some things on sale. And if any of you guys have seen the tour video I did at the end of the year, then you'll note that there's just been a few minor changes here. So in the haul, I got those two vases that you see there. I think they were just $10.99 a piece. I replaced the photo, actually, the picture rather, that was there. I repurposed it, really. I put it in my bedroom, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. And got that on sale. I think $24. And the little gold flowers, or whatever you call them, they have a little bling in them. I'll get a little closer so you can see. I think I got those on sale for $9. You know, just wanted to change. And I think that kind of goes with my table setting a little better than what I had there. And of course, you know, I'll get tired of this and I'll do another tablescape. But for right now, I still like my gold and my ivory. And in this room, I changed a little bit. I know you saw this room in the last tour. But kind of updated this table a little bit. I've shown you those candlesticks that I got on sale. I also got this little vase on sale. And I just put some little, I think it was maybe $8. And I put these little doodads, whatever you call them, in there. I think it makes it look nice. And I already had found that on sale in a previous haul. I also got this tray. I think it was like $7 for the tray. So I really like what it did for the coffee table. And I don't think I'll be changing that anytime soon. I also changed the pillows a little bit. I had these pillows right here were in the center on the couch, and now I've just gone with all ivory. I've got the two new pillows in the hall, and I think these pillows, these are the only thing, they weren't on sale, but they were only about $12 a piece. Just really like them. They have a glam sort of look to them, which I'm finding I sort of like. I had already shown you this chair, and I already had that pillow. I changed this pillow and put it over there and decided to go with an ivory pillow. Well, I got two new pillows, this one and that one, and the other two I already had. I told you guys I've been working on updating the picture frames here, and I'm finally done with that. I wanted frames that had a little bling, something a little fancy. These are family pictures I've shown you before, grandkids, children. And they're precious. I just wanted to, there's my mom in the front. Just wanted to display them a little better. I had maybe dollar store frames on this table for years, and it was just time to update. I haven't found a vase for this table yet. I'm working on that. I'm still looking for a vase, and I'm going to repurpose this vase somewhere else. I actually took these out of the curio, and eventually they'll go back in there when I find the vase that I want. I took the lamps out and repurposed them in the bedroom. this is part of my little haul, this mirror. Not sure it's going to stay here. It might end up in my bathroom. I can see that happening. But for right now, it's there. It's pretty. And again, that was on sale, marked down from, I think, 39 to maybe 24 or something like that. But it is really pretty. I like it. And don't know, like I said, if it's going to stay here or not. But for now, I'm kind of liking the way this table's coming together. Okay. So, I'll pause this for a minute and I'll show you what I did with the rest of my haul pieces in the bedroom. Okay guys, here we are in the bedroom. So, the last time I showed you this bedroom, this TV was in this corner right here. What I did, and I believe this chair was where the TV is now. So what I did is move the TV there, and I'll show you how I rearranged the bed here in a second, and put the chair here so I can have just a little comfortable little seating area. And this little table here was like 20 bucks, maybe 19 bucks. It's also part of the haul. And I already had the centerpiece there. That's something I made. Little DIY centerpiece I made some time ago. Same thing for the candle. This picture was repurposed. I picked this picture up for about $5 at Ollie's some weeks ago. And it was hanging in the dining room. And for right now, I have it here. Doesn't mean I won't move it, but I kind of like it there. Also took these were in the dining room, and repurposed them for right there. This is kind of my little, as you walk in, what you see as you walk in to the bedroom. And I think they look nice with my little mirror light switch plate that I updated a while back. Now I'll turn around. You guys might remember, if you've seen the video, this wall is where my dresser was. And I decided, since it's the accent wall in the room, that I would go ahead and put the bed on that wall. I like it. I like it. And I also took those pillows. Those are repurposed pillows. I took those from the living room and put them in here. And it has, the middle pillow has the blue-gray tone, like the wall. And the other pillows have that nice tan. So I think it looks nice. I like it. And then if you remember, this is where the bed was, in front of this window. And what I did is put the dresser over here and just took some items that I repurposed from the living room, like this little candle opera thing. I had that on the coffee table. And then these are the lamps that came from the console table. This mirror was already here, and it just happens to line up. I took the other mirror off the dresser, and I think that works. And then this is what the bed looks like from this corner. I think it came out pretty nice. Actually gives us more room in here. We can walk around. And it's a small bedroom, so we had to kind of maximize the space. And then when you're on this side of the room, this is what you see. Little seating area. And it really makes it easier for us to see the TV. Both of us like to watch TV in bed, and that's a little easier. It's a little easier this way. So anyway, guys, just a little update. I'm always changing things. I've got several other projects in the works that I'll be uploading for you guys pretty soon as I continue on this fixer-upper journey. But I just wanted to share this little update with you. And I think this is it for the bedroom for a while. I don't think I'll be changing it again. Oh, I didn't mention that that clock up there comes from the living room. I repurposed that. This was actually hanging where that new mirror is above the console table. So I just took it in here and put it on this wall, and I kind of like it. So anyway, that's it. That's all I've got. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.